Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. So on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done under 16,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.